Hi guys, so today I will be talking about the Glade spray eliminates odor and freshens the air Hawaiian breeze. This one is in like the scent Hawaiian breeze, like I said before, and I'm just going to show you guys what it looks like. It says it lasts up to 7 hours on the side of it, and then this is just the back. It just tells the directions, what to be cautious of, and everything about that sort. Okay, so starting off about this product, first of all, I just want to say, guys, this is a lie. So it says it's supposed to last up to 7 hours. Possibly the biggest lie that I've ever encountered. This spray will last you about 30 minutes, to be honest. It depends on what you spray it on. If you spray it on like linen or stuff, you might smell it for about an hour. But after that, you really can't smell it. Like it honestly does not last for that long. I would say that the longest I've ever smelled this was when I had sprayed it in the air after we left our windows open. We had a like an outside smell in my apartment, and we kind of could smell it for a little bit longer than usual. But and that was about like 2 hours. So other than that, this is a lie. This is just my personal opinion towards it. But to be honest, like, this does not last long. And starting off, okay, I usually get different other brands, and I don't want to compare and contrast this brand because Glade does have other products that I feel like work so good, but this is just not one of them. I love Febreze spray, and a lot of my roommates were like, just get Glade, and I was like, okay, maybe. But I ended up getting this one, and first of all, guys, aside from everything else, this scent gives me a headache, and I'm not headache prone, so this scent is very strong, and it just does not, like, I suggest for anybody if you are going to get this product in any scent, you should get like the fresh scent or like the linen scent. Those are the best scents to get, to me, in my opinion, because yeah, just don't get this scent. It gives you a headache, and like, honestly, like, it honestly is probably like not the best spray, especially if you're looking for like something for your home. Guys, please be weary. If you want to try it, I say go ahead and try it, but please be wary that it gives you headaches, and also it doesn't last that long too. So, and on top of that, I'm just going to demonstrate how it's sprayed. So I don't know if you guys can see that, but the way it's sprayed too, like, even smelling it right now, it's giving me a headache. It kind of gives off like this strong, like, cinnamon, like, flowery smell, and it just smells like if you were to walk into a public bathroom and they just got done cleaning but with not the best products. That's exactly how this smells. So guys, please be wary. This product is not expensive at all. It's very inexpensive, and I don't think that's the reason why it smells or works the way it does, because like I said, there are other scents that this product has that, even though they don't last that long, they definitely smell better than this one. It's just that this one is it just stinks, in my opinion, and I hate to say that because it's supposed to be an air freshener, but it just does not smell good. Something that I can appreciate about this product too, though, that's something that not even only with the scent but with a lot of Glade products, is that I don't know if you guys have ever like tried this or done this, but usually for my curtains, like, my curtains tend to get the outside smell in it, and like I said, the longest I've ever smelled this product for is when I sprayed it and it kind of smelled like outside in my apartment. I usually spray it on my curtains a little bit, so that way when we do open the window and the wind is blowing, you kind of get this smell to come through. Now, I'm not necessarily saying to do it with this scent, but other scents of this product, it works very well with, and it honestly smells so good. So you guys should definitely try that if you never have. Just spray a little bit on your curtains, open your windows a little bit, and it's a good way to like mask the smell of outside coming from outside. The other thing that I kind of don't like about this product too is if you're like me and you are prone to using air fresheners a lot, whether you put them in your bathroom or you like to use them for your room or anything of those sorts, you go through it a lot and there's nothing barely left in here. This air freshener has been used a lot, and well, I wouldn't even say it's been used like quite efficiently, but not a lot for it to be as gone as quick as it is. I do purchase other products where they do last me for a long time, so it's kind of upsetting that this one goes pretty quickly. But yeah, I mean, overall, I would say that this product is, if you like, Glade overall for this air freshener is usually not bad. Like I said, other scents really, I appreciate them. I'm very like willing and happy to buy them. Like I said, it's not an expensive product, but this scent, guys, just please be wary. I don't know if it's just me, the reasons why I get headaches from it, but please be wary of it. The scent is overbearing and very strong. I love the design on the bottle though. The design and the way they market it is very pretty. But this is definitely a lie. Like I stated before, it does not last for 7 hours. But yeah,